welcome to today's video. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are unboxing Boxycharm. This is for December 2020. This is premium. For those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. You get beauty products. It is absolutely amazing. I love Boxycharm. It is my favorite time of the month. You open it up. This is what the inside goods look like. The past couple boxes, I haven't actually tried them on, so I'm going to be trying them on this time. That's why I don't really have too much on my face. I do have foundation, concealer, powder. I put on some eyebrow and some chapstick. That's what I got on. This is what the card looks like. The theme is bubbles and glitz. I got variation number 1. And we're just gonna kind of read off the list as I pull things out. First thing I'm gonna pull out, I'm not going to try on. I don't even know if I'm gonna open it. I might put it in for a giveaway. It is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. This retails for $82. It says, "The future of eye care is here," featuring an innovative Cloud Light gel formula. This serum-infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. So yeah, that's that. I'm not gonna try that on. The next thing I'm pulling out, I'm also not going to try on because I have too many of them open right now. But it is the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $20. It says the volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. Like I said, I have way too many open, so that might be going in my future giveaway as well. I don't know, we'll see. All right, now we're getting into some things we can use. I see a giant palette here. Looks really pretty. It's white and like holographic. That's nice. What is this? This is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. Retails for $46. It says, this anytime, anywhere summer essentials palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color. Wear each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. All right, we're going to jump into this. It has the colors on the back. It's very pretty. You take the sleeve off. The packaging has that holographic kind of look to it. It's really pretty, and it's white. It comes with a giant mirror. Pull the plastic off. Giant mirror. These are the colors. So it looks like you get 2 bronzers, a blush, 2 highlights, and I think this might be a blush topper. They're really pretty. I'm gonna swatch them all. Okay, here's the first few. Ooh, those highlights are pretty. These are the last 2. Those look really nice, so I'm going to zoom you in and start applying them to my face. I'm going to go in with Serendipity, and I'm going to use that to bronze my face. Alright, so that bronzer actually worked really nice. Now I'm going to go in with Royal Flush, this beautiful corally pink. It's more of like a coral. I love these shades. The highlight shade I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go in with Heaven Sent. Let's see if you guys can't see that highlight. You can see it on my nose really good. That's really pretty. I like that. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. This retails for $34.95. It says, this 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. We are definitely going to try these out. I don't know if I'm going to keep all of them. I might just want a couple of them and then put a couple into my giveaway. These are what they look like. They have white handles with like a rose gold going around there. I'm going to keep this one and this one. And I think I'm going to put these 3 into a giveaway. I'm going to keep these 2. So the 2 that I'm going to keep, I'm going to open up. Ooh, that is soft. That is going to make a beautiful blending brush, I think. And then this one will be perfect for doing fine details, the inner corner of the eye and whatnot. They're very soft. And we're gonna use these with the very last product that is in the box, which I am most excited for. This is the Viseart Neutral Mattes 01 12 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $80. It says Viseart's all-time best-selling palette. This iconic, coveted professional eyeshadow palette can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, brows, and the contours of the face. A true artist's staple. All right, I've been eyeing up this palette for so long, but I am Canadian, and in Canadian dollars on the Sephora website, this palette retails for like over $100. It's insane. This is what it looks like. It is like the perfect matte palette. I'm so excited. It will be perfect to bring out traveling or just to have out to use all these different transition shades. So awesome. I do just wish there was a mirror. I'm going to quickly try to put together a little eye look for you. I think I'm going to go in with this right here, and I'm just going to start putting that in my crease. Alright, I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Alright, now on a smaller blender brush, I'm going to go in with this right here. I'm just going to start deepening this a little bit. And now this one. Now on that same blender brush, I'm going to go in with this darkest brown right here. Just like that. Now, just on that first big fluffy brush I was using, I'm just going to kind of go over these edges a bit, just to soften them up. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this orange shade and I'm just going to place that in the center here, blend it into that dark brown. Next up is this white shade. This is going to go in my inner corner and in through the beginning portion of my eyelid. Almost done, guys. We are going to take the orange and then the dark brown, and I'm just going to follow the color combo going under the lower lash line. Last but not least, I'm going to take the white shade again, and I'm just going to kind of blend it up under my eyebrow. And I'm just going to do a little bit of liner and mascara, and we'll be right back. All right, everything is finished. Let me show you up close. I really like that highlight. Oh, the colors of the face palette blended in beautifully. The eyes. I don't usually wear like all matte eyeshadow, but I'm actually really liking how this one is looking, especially with my leopard and black shirt. Anyways, enough about that. The Boxycharm for December, I am very happy with everything that we got. The total retail of the box, if you were to buy everything individually, would be, are you ready for this? $284.95. Oh my goodness. So that's awesome. Yeah, I think that's it for everything. Going to put those suckers on so that I can see again, because I did this entire video blind. But what do you do? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then you know you gotta hit the bell. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a fabulous day.